When it comes time to post an audio or video file to one of your neighborhood projects, you will want to open the assignment and then click on Reply. And in that thread, a text box will appear. Once you scroll over the top, you'll find one that says Record or Upload Media. So I open that up, and it'll give me a number of options. I can record media directly into that, and I can either do so using a webcam for video, or I can do microphone only for an audio. Title it and submit. Another option would be to upload a media file I've already recorded, either audio or video. One thing to keep in mind is you need to have, if you are going to record a media directly to it, you're going to want to have the most current Adobe Flash player. Also, I've found that some browsers don't work as well as others. I've used Google Chrome before and I've had problems, whereas I haven't had the same problems with Internet Explorer. So play around with that, and if you have any issues, feel free to email me and I'll help you out as best as I can.